Homework 47, Farm Animals. Question 1. Complete the dialogues. Let's look at the first dialogue. The answer is, it's a horse. The question will be, what is it? Now, the second dialogue. The question is, what is it? It's a goat. Question 2. Read the words and match them with the pictures. Then, identify the extra picture. The first word is rooster. It is the third picture. The next one is duck. It is the first picture. The extra one is horse. Question 3. How many farm animals do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 farm animals. Question 4. Choose the correct answers. Cow. It is the second picture. Donkey. It is the third picture. Horse. It is the first picture.